Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with the WiseLaser EVO range of laser welding machines. Here we have the 4-in-1 range of laser welding machines, capable of cutting, rust removal, seam weld cleaning, and of course laser welding. There are several different models available to suit your application. From manufacturing of sheet metal and general fabricated products, high production automated robotic welding applications, high demanding heavy structural welding applications. Laser welders can cover a diverse range of welding requirements. Operator training is minimal compared to other conventional welding processes. New operators can be trained within hours to consistently produce professional results. Let's take a look at what this laser machine has to offer. The operator panel is at an ideal height, making it ergonomic and easy to use. The cable and welding gun storage have been well thought out, keeping the workstation clean and tidy and avoiding potential problems like tripping hazards. The touchscreen controller comes preloaded with the most common welding parameters for all different material types and thicknesses. The argon gas pressure is constantly monitored and will notify you when the pressure is low. The wire feeder is fully synchronized with the laser control system, taking away all guesswork. All components of this machine are easily accessible, making it easy to maintain and service. The laser source is manufactured by Raycus Laser, an extremely reliable and well-known brand. Boasting a working life of 100,000 hours, that's 50 years of 8-hour working shifts, making it suitable for continuous use at full capacity in a production environment. The electrical control system is neatly laid out, utilising well-known brands such as Schneider contactors and switchgear. The high-flow heat extraction system keeps the machine running efficiently in all environments. The welding gun is light and compact, with a laser pointer guiding the operator to the correct welding position. Additional welding gun tips are supplied to cover all different types of welding situations, as well as cutting nozzles and cleaning attachments. The welding helmet is also included. All our laser welders have been sourced from consistent and reliable manufacturers, and we have inspected their manufacturing plants and assembly lines to ensure that all products meet our high quality standards. For this reason, we can confidently supply our industry-leading 2-year warranty cover. Laser welders will save you time and money, as the process is much more efficient than conventional welding in every way. Anyone can weld like a pro with a WiseWeld laser welder. If you're after the competitive edge and you want to keep up with the latest technology, you should consider a WiseLaser welding machine. You can buy online or you can contact us for more information.